Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to transfer money from Skrill to bank account in just a few simple steps. So let's dive in. First off, go ahead and log into your Skrill account, and then on the homepage, you want to click on transfer. From here, you should see the option to send to yourself. Now, this means that you'll be sending money from your balance to your card or a bank account. So just click that. And from here, you have two options, either send money to your bank account or to a mobile wallet. But as you can see here, you must verify your identity first to unlock these options. But basically, once you've unlocked these options, just click whatever you want to choose here, either add bank account or add mobile wallet, and just proceed by completing all the details needed. And basically, that's it. Now you know how to transfer money from Skrill to a bank account in just a few simple steps. If you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more quick guides, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks!